My dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from coordinate geometry. The question is a straight line makes on the coordinate axis positive intercepts whose sum is 5. If the line passes through point minus 3, 4, that means here abscissa is minus 3 and ordinate is 4. Find its equation. The solution is let the line intercepts made by the line on x-axis be of a units and on y-axis of b units. Therefore, by hypothesis, a plus b equals to 5. This is equation 1. Clearly, the line passes through a0. That means here on x-axis it is at a distance of a and its ordinate is 0, because on x-axis you know that ordinate is always 0 and 0b, that means here on y-axis you find abscissa is 0 and its distance from the origin is b, that means on the y-axis I am talking. Hence its equation is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, and by putting the value we get, this implies y minus b is equals to minus b by a into x minus 0. Now by crisscross multiplication we get ya minus ab equals to minus bx. And now minus bx will come left side. It becomes ya minus ab plus xb equals to 0. Also the line passes through minus 3, 4. That means in place of x we will put minus 3 and in place of y we will put 4. And then we get here, this implies 4a minus ab plus minus 3 into b equals to 0. This implies 4a minus ab minus 3b equals to 0. And now you see, since a plus b equals to 5, so b equals to 5 minus a. So here in these all terms, I am bringing in a, eliminating b. So we get here 4a minus a into 5 minus a minus 3 into 5 minus a equals to 0. This implies 4a minus 5a plus a square after removing the bracket. Minus a into 5 is minus 5a, minus a into minus a is plus a square. Minus again 3 into 5 is 15 and minus 3 into minus a is plus 3a equals to 0. And this implies a square minus 5a plus 7a minus 15 equals to 0. And this implies a square plus 2a minus 15 equals to 0. And now this we are doing factorization by middle term factorization. We will write it as a square plus 5a minus 3a minus 15 equals to 0, because minus 15, if you factorize you get 5 into minus 3 and minus 5 into plus 3 also. But minus 5 into 3 you get the project minus 15, but by adding them you don't get plus 2. So we take here plus 5 into minus 3. So here I write a square plus 5a minus 3 minus 15 equals to 0. And then here a I am taking common, then a plus b is left in the bracket, and a minus 3 I am taking common, and then a plus 5 is left in the bracket equals to 0. Now a plus 5 is common in both these terms. So a plus 5 I am taking common, and then here a minus 3 is left. So these two quantities, two terms we get, and you know that the product of two terms is equals to 0. That means either of them is equals to 0. And so in that case, if a plus 5 equals to 0, a will be minus 5, and if a minus 3 equals to 0, a will be plus 3. So a equals to plus 3 and minus 5. But it is given in the question that a is greater than 0, because it is given positive intercepts. That's why a is greater than 0, so minus 5 is eliminated. And so a equals to 3 and b equals to b equals to 5 minus a, and that is equals to 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Now substituting these values of A and B. In equation 1 we have the required equation of line as ya minus ab plus xb equals to 0. And so now we are putting the values. Y value a value we have got 3, so it is 3a and minus ab, so 3 into 2, because b value we have got 2 and a value we have got 3, so 3 into 2 plus 2x, because here b value is 2, so 2x equals to 0. And this implies we get 3y plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. And so by arranging we can write it 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.